the window.
Oh my god, why do I keep on losing my pillow? Oh, good thing I have this.
Squishy life hack number 2. Use a squishy as a pillow.
Are you guys ready for the test tomorrow? It's gonna be so hard.
Squishy life hack number 3. Use a squishy as a stress reliever.
Fight me, bro.
Oh, darn it, I lost my place. Squishy life hack number 4. Use a squishy as a bookmark.
I wish I had a pet. Ooh, here's a cute little pink hamster. Let's see. I'm gonna name it Jeff.
Squishy life hack number 5. Use a squishy as a pet. Squishy life hack number 6. If you are really bored, squishies are your friends.
La la la. Jeff, what do you want to do today? I wish I could be a squishy.
Squishy life hack number 7. Become a squishy if you have no friends. Squishy life hack number 8. If you cannot play outside with your basketball, then get a basket and some squishies. Here you go, guys. Now we can play basketball. I love playing basket. Woo, woo. Oh dear. Oh dear. Squishy life hack number 9. If your fridge is empty and your friends are coming over, just fill it up with squishies that look like food. They'll never know. Oh my god, guys! Stop it! And finally, squishy life hack number 10. If your cousins are being so annoying, turn them into squishies. Okay guys, so that was it for the 10 top squishy life hacks. I hope you guys know that it was all just a joke and we were just having fun. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want us to do in the next video. Bye!